Hola mates, in the previous video we had seen that how by using the decompose tool in the PCB layout option we have changed the pre-existing package that we have made. So this can be done with any package that is present in the Proteus libraries, and by using the decompose tool I have converted the 32 pin connector to 30 pin connector. This same decompose tool can be used in the schematic also to make changes whenever needed in a certain part. So in this video we'll be seeing how we can connect these two parts that we have made. The first one being the layout that we have made in the schematic, and the second one being the PCB package. For that, what we have to do is we have to right click on the part that is present in the schematic, go to the packaging tool option. Over here we have to click on the add and select the package that we have made. So I have named the package as NMCU1 and it was stored in the library of connectors. Then click on OK. So we can hover our cursor over the various pins and see if every pin is assigned the proper label. After we are satisfied with the assignments, we can go to assign package, save package to a certain library, and we have assigned a package to our part that we have made. Now to check, we can go to the PCB layout option, components, and we have the node MCU. So we can see by default there are a few rat's nests that are connecting certain pins. This has happened because we have named certain pins with the same label, like the 3-volt pins. They have the same label, the ground pins, they have the same label. So these are connected. These are connected in the package that we have made. So in order to remove this rat's nest traces, to remove these green lines, we can either change the names in this package, in this part, by using the decompose tool, or we can just make the traces and connect these pins according to our needs. So I leave this up to you, and in the next videos we'll be seeing something about the 3D visualizer options. So mates, stay tuned.